So friends, today's practical is that we will see how share price is affected when any company default on its loan repayment and interest. So in bond chapter, we have studied that company used to raise bond and collect money from investor, and that money company used to invest for their capital budgeting projects. In return, company used to give interest either annually, half yearly, or quarterly, or even monthly. So if company's financial position is not good, and if company is unable to pay interest, so it will give a wrong signal in the market. It means that company is not earning and company will liquidate, company will become bankrupt. If company is not able to pay their interest liability, the company will soon become bankrupt and will soon liquidate, and definitely this is the wrong signal going in the market. So the first effect which will arise from such news is that equity share price will decrease drastically. Let's take an example of a company who defaulted in interest and principal repayment and its share price decreased drastically. The name of the company is Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy defaults on rupees 7,000 crore worth of loans. So definitely this is a case of bankruptcy, and you can see the share price, it's decreasing, and definitely it's not a good sign for any investors who invested in these companies. You can see share price chart which is falling. Suzlon Energy shares locked at lower circuit on loan repayment default. Suzlon Energy stock slides by 10% after default on borrowings worth 7,000 crore. So equity share price is also affected by such news. So whenever you see such news in future, you can estimate that that company's equity share price will definitely fall. So you should not invest in such company who have defaulted on loan or interest payment, because such company will definitely erode your wealth and you will definitely repent afterward that why you invested in a company who defaulted on loan and interest repayments. You can see all the news. Suzlon Energy shares tumble 8% after company defaults on bond payments. Bond is the name of our chapter which we study in final SFM. Fine, sir. Suzlon Energy tumbles 6% on concerns over looming default. Total debt of Suzlon Energy is 14,000 crore. 14,000 crore. Suzlon default on bond payments worth $172 million. You can see share chart of Suzlon Energy. Once it touched 400 rupees, above 400 rupees, Suzlon Energy was quoting, but now it's mere 6 rupees. So it's a fall of almost 95%. So definitely it's a huge loss for shareholders. Objective of financial management is to increase the shareholders' wealth. We have researched so many good balance sheet of the companies where companies performing good, but this company is definitely not performing good as far as share prices are concerned, as far as news is concerned that this company is defaulting on loan and interest repayment. When we see the balance sheet of this company, you can see reserve and surplus is in negative, total shareholder fund is in negative, so definitely this company will not give you any money as far as balance sheet is concerned, because its balance sheet is showing negative shareholders fund. When we see the business profile of Suzlon Energy, then we get to know Suzlon Energy Limited, together with its subsidiaries, manufactures and sells wind turbine generators and related components in India, the US, Australia, Spain, South Africa and Turkey. The company also engages in selling solar systems and the provision of services such as operation and maintenance of wind turbine generators, as well as project execution and site infrastructure development services. In addition, it is involved in the sale and sublease of land and sale of foundry and forging components, as well as power generation and solar operations. Suzlon Energy Limited was founded in 1995 and is headquartered in Pune, India. This is a brief profile of the company. Risk analysis is that interest payments are not well covered by earnings. Company is not earning enough to pay their interest liabilities and negative shareholders equity. These are key risks of the company. We have P ratio, we have face value. These all measures we have already studied in our class. Fine, sir. So hopefully in future this company will turn around and will definitely benefit the shareholder, because they have incurred a huge loss in this company. New CFO is now appointed for this company. The name of the CFO is Himanshu Moody. So we hope that he will definitely succeed in his mission, and he will definitely take out this company from this pain and increase the shareholders' wealth. So you can also research company's website, where so many informations are given regarding company. As a student, as a learner, you must research all these things, because this will help you to grow your company. Whenever you will join any company, you will definitely help that company grow and avoid all those mistakes which these companies have done, because ultimately the finance management objective is to increase shareholders' wealth. If you are able to increase shareholders' wealth, it means you are managing your company well. Fine, sir. So I hope you like this small video regarding Suzlon Energy, and definitely what we have researched right now is that whenever there is a default by any company, then the share price of that company falls. Fine, sir. So let's see a video advertisement of this company, which will help you to know this company better. Let's play this video.
I just had a first look at QuickSense. Thanks to my friend here, I could see how it works up close and from up there. That's the top of the turbine towards the direction of the wind. QuickSense is Suzlon's latest wind direction sensor. It's more accurate and faster in aligning the nacelle. So basically there is higher generation. This is called aligning your profit in the right direction.
By the year 2050, it'll be too late for them and them, and for millions of other species. It'll be too late for the rivers, and too late for the trees. It'll be too late for life on this planet. It'll be too late tomorrow. So take a step in the right direction today. Wind energy.
Why can't we use resources without depleting them? Do we have to exhaust them every time we use them? Why can't we give back to the planet as we take from it? The answers lie in sustainable wind energy solutions. Therefore, Suzlon.
Carbon emissions from non-renewable sources of electricity are harmful to the environment. Electricity generated from wind energy helps renew the Earth. Therefore,
So friends, I am not here to say you whether you should buy Suzlon or sell Suzlon. It is none of my business. I am just here to let you know that whenever a company defaults in its loan and interest repayment, then its share price fall. And I have proved this with this case study. So this is only a learning practical experience for you, so that in future you can also develop your own knowledge and grow your company and make all the stakeholders happy, whether it be creators, shareholders, or any person. Because as a CFO, as a finance manager, as a finance professional, your duty is to increase shareholders' wealth. Fine, sir.